Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I'm working on a big canvas today. It's a 24 by 24 inch. And I'm going to be doing the pearl cell pour and a swipe. So half the canvas will be a swipe, half the canvas is going to be a pearl cell lace effect, I hope. I did it back on a video a little while ago. I'll link it here. But this is my pearl satin enamel color. It is a lavender that was on the clearance rack at Home Depot. Then I have this mistake that somebody made with a Valspar tint sample. So I grabbed that, and that is a regular lavender color. So these are going to be my both base colors, and I'm also going to be using white for my pearl cell base as well. So here are some of the colors I'm going to be swiping with. I will list all my colors in my description box. These are my normal mixed paints with Floetrol and water, okay? So I'm not doing anything special with my swipe paints. I will be swiping with my normal Floetrol Amsterdam mix, and that's 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white. All right, so I'm going to get started here in a minute. I hope you all, I'm just showing you that I had it all mixed up already in a Floetrol bottle. So I hope you're all having a great day, and I'm glad you're here. If you're new here, please like and subscribe, and let's get to it. All right.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. Weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. what it took to open my eyes. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the